Issues. Hi there, so my name is back with another video, right? So if you don't know, I'm a cinematographer, photographer, the best in the world, or one of the best, or the best, doesn't matter. Alright, so in this video I'm gonna update you as to what I did this week to further this business of mine, which is video and photo like production, right? So this week the main thing is I finished the music video. Hey man, all right, I finished the music video. I learned a lot of things, right, in terms of like not editing wise, man, as I'm telling you, like the best in the world. Nothing much, nothing surprised me and whatnot, but I learned a lot of things in interacting with the clients, and then like the process of making a music video. I think a video, I've already recorded it. A video is coming out next week in terms of like dealing with the music video, right? How to actually do the thing, like the one most important thing is going to be coming out next week. But I didn't have a lot of issues, just a lot of learning curves in terms of like working with clients. Obviously clients are going to be different every time, right? So you have to sort of you're gonna like get a lot of people and then learn a lot from them, which is gonna make you a better sort of cinematographer and videographer, right? It's not that much of a problem. So I finished the music video. I'm not sure when it's coming out, but sometime in the upcoming months. I don't think it's anytime soon, but we'll see, right? And then I went to Cape Town yesterday to shoot some pictures, right? Street photography is very fun, right? It's a very fun thing to do, right? That's the bottom line. So I did that. Obviously pictures are gonna be on the Eye of the City, the Instagram profile that should be following. And yeah, that's it basically for the week. I had a gig, obviously it was cancelled, though I'm not sure why. The client never got back to me, you know. I'm not sure if you know when this was, right? This was right after I sent them my code, right? Never got back to me. It happens a lot. It's not an issue, right? Mostly, I'm not saying I'm avoiding gigs, but if a gig is not worth it, it's not worth it for me. I'd rather be like shooting models, unpaid jobs, than shooting gigs that are gonna stress me out and are not gonna pay me much, right? Especially after paying such a large amount for my camera and the stress that comes with that, right? I'm still dealing with the financial repercussions of that, right? It's still gonna be low. Like this whole year I'm gonna be dealing with like this purchase, right? I'm not working obviously, so small money really puts a dent on my pocket, right? Yeah, obviously that's when it. Hopefully I see you next week with another update as to what I'm doing in order to further this business forward. I'm not sure, maybe I should try. Man, here's a problem, like I'm really not feeling like really good these days, right? Mainly because of these the level 4 we in South Africa, this thing that's been going on in the world and whatnot, right? I'm not sure, it's hitting me differently, right? And all the people that were my targets in terms of working with, those could be like restaurants, some stores, or like vendors, small vendors, and all that. I know they're affected by this thing of the country being closed, so it's really hard to shoot my shot because I've been wanting to start this thing of cold calling, but like sending DMs and whatnot for people to for me to go take videos of people and whatnot, right? Yeah, so we'll see how that goes. Okay, that's been it. So much things. I'll see you next week. Have a nice one. Peace.
Are you